also defend himself. So here you are, you've listed plenty things. The gentleman has also written and also provided some information to his defense. And even gone ahead to say that National Security Coordinator, now that you have the benefit of more information on this subject matter, I advise that you engage your colleague, because I have a right to defend myself and I'm still holding on to more information. You call it blackmail. Why are you calling it blackmail? Doesn't the Attorney General also know that the person you are trying to prosecute cannot be prosecuted like any other citizen? Which is also fact. You know that. Because of the role that he plays in this country. No, please let me. Because of the role he plays in this country. So something, the charge sheet means nothing. The charge sheet is only things that you claim you have information on. The defendant's also, his letter is also nothing. His letter is also claims of what he thinks are his defense. That is why I think we shouldn't be going around these circles. We should simply go to the courts. Go and adduce your evidence that you have on the gentleman in court. Give him room to also come and adduce evidence to whatever it is that he is indicating as his defense. But you bringing in other things and he has houses, so what? Something, you work at multimedia. You are a lawyer. But I'm sure you have other businesses. So if I come and pick your multimedia salary and say, something you tell this we have actually make and see all these things you do, it doesn't necessarily mean that you are a thief. I must prove that indeed which other property or asset you have actually connects to whatever it says that I claim you have stolen.
In the courtroom, Adu-Boahene has the right to be absolutely silent and not to say one word and allow the Attorney General to prove his guilt up to a certain point.
Yes. No, but let me conclude. Just give me an indication of conclusion, I'll conclude.
Okay.
So the point I'm making is that all these hypotheses and speculations and if, as a matter of fact, I can also tell Bryce Simmons that yes, the National Security Minister authorized it. Then it negates every other assumption he's making. That yes, the National Security Council is also aware. Then it negates everything. We don't know these things for a fact. So all these charts and attempts to, create a certain correlation based on some formulas, they do not help in law. We are just doing politics with the matter. The Attorney General should freeze all these public engagements. Mr. Adu-Boahene should cease writing anymore. After all, he knew the kind of sensitive role he was going for. He's been a national security couple. He understands what comes with the job. He should go to court and go and defend himself.
Thank you.
Attorney General should go to court and go and prove it.
Attorney General is in court.
So he should stop talking. That's what we are saying.
He's not been talking.
Oh, he has been.
He spoke and went to
court. And spoke again. He's back. He's done press conferences twice.
Before he went to court.
No, after court he came back. The second press conference was after he's been to court.
No. So after he had filed the charges.
So before the charges, he came to speak.
Okay, thank you.
Then he went to court.
All right.
Then when he went to court, he came back to speak.
So the day the charges were filed,